Radio Chutney, you're tuned in with me, Himani. And मेरे साथ इस वक्त है Secretary of the Marwari Mitra Mandal, another very active, very happening and very friendly association in Singapore. This is Mr. Pallav Moona. Hi, Pallav.
Hi, Himani. Thanks for having me on the show.
Thank you for joining me. How have you been?
Very good. What about you?
I am doing very well. Thank you so much. So, as part of the Community Connect program on Radio Chutney, ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता था कि we wouldn't talk to Marwari Mitra Mandal. Now, I have to tell you that I go a long way with Marwari Mitra Mandal personally, although I'm not a Marwari, because I've hosted most of your Diwali balls, the Ritz-Carlton.
By the way, there is an associate membership, so you should become one associate member for us.
I should, definitely. I think I should do that. And I know most of your members and I'm friendly with like so many people. I've had meetings with you guys at the Singapore Swimming Club. So I'm like almost, मैं तो घुल मिल गई हूँ Marwari Mitra Mandal से.
Oh, that's good. So since you are a half Marwadi, आपको full Marwadi करने के लिए मैं membership form बहुत जल्दी भेज देता हूँ.
Please भेज दीजिएगा. But Mr. Moona, I want to ask you, Marwari Mitra Mandal, very active in Singapore, all the members, non-members, the community. Tell us a little bit about Marwari Mitra Mandal in Singapore.
So Marwadi Mitra Mandal was formally formed as a society somewhere in 2005, and we have an active community membership of around 300 people, give or take 10% here and there, depending on how people move and stuff. But even before the society was formed formally, we had a very active community, and that spirit was what led the founding members to decide to formalize it and form a society.
Right.
So एक होता है कि कुछ लोग जो एक दूसरे को जानते हैं और वो यहाँ पे है and they are doing functions together, but they decided for the betterment or benefit of everyone around, if we have it as a society, you can reach out and the outreach program can be a lot greater.
Right.
Aaj bhi, if we have about 250-300 members, I'm sure there are a lot more Marwadis in Singapore who are probably not aware of this society or may not have become members.
Right.
And the intention, I think most of us, when we came overseas, the idea was how do you stay connected with your roots?
Yeah.
And how do you inculcate for the second generation or third generation, how do you inculcate your Marwadi values or your Indian value system within the children?
Right.
Personally, we have been here since 2002. And I think the way we celebrate festivals in Singapore is with a lot more pomp, splendor than we would do back home in India.
Yeah, absolutely.
So the society has been very instrumental in bringing the people together. Of course, the traditional, we have our calendar of events has been increasing significantly. Certain things have become a permanent feature, like a Diwali ball is the go-to feature. So you have been a part of many of those. We started small till we ended up at Ritz-Carlton.
Yeah.
So unfortunately, last year we couldn't have that, but we still engaged with the community by having a small in-house production.
Right.
And the in-house production quality was amazing. That's the time when people bond, blend, they get a chance to kind of show off their dressing skills, जो यहाँ पे अपने normally करते नहीं है, traditional wear. So it's a very, very good function, and especially even other features like Holi, we've been having it with a few communities together. So there is an integration. Plus the interest is that जितने जन को create common interest groups, engage with all age groups, बच्चों से लेके बड़ों तक, and कोशिश करते रहते हैं, programs करते रहे.
How nice. Now, I also know कि जो आप कह रहे थे, retaining the whole culture, retaining the values, the core value system. And I've seen that a lot in Marwadis across the globe. Now, आपको बताना चाहेंगे that Radio Chutney currently is not heard only in Singapore, but India, Singapore, Malaysia, US, Australia, Dubai, Hong Kong. These are our main markets where there's a lot of listenership for Radio Chutney. And I'm sure Marwadis in all these countries must be equally active, proactive, just like, we are here in Singapore. Like I remember Diwali ball when जब मैं host करती थी, you all used to have, there was a particular fast जो ladies रखती है बच्चों के लिए, वो उस दिन पड़ा था. So even then, during that Diwali ball event, the ladies wing did have this little puja outside the ballroom, and they had that whole ritual, which was amazing for me. यार कि यार Diwali ball है, you probably can say कि यार Diwali ball के दिन ये व्रत पड़ा तो हमने छोड़ दिया. But the Marwadi ladies did not. They are so deep rooted in culture.
Which is a fact. तो अगर आप देखें तो someone when we came here, बहुत interesting चीज सुनी थी कि an Indian and a Marwadi lady can start her kitchen, even in a small one-bedroom thing.
Right.
We are predominantly vegetarians, but food has never been a constraint for people to branch out to far-off places as such. Very adaptive, very business community, and the spirit remains. तो आप जैसे बोल रहे हो, कोशिश हम लोग की हमेशा ये रहती है कि उस दिन कोई फास्ट नहीं हो, कुछ नहीं हो, बुकिंग मिल जाए, पर कभी-कभी अगर वैसी गलती होती है, that doesn't dampen the spirit.
Yeah,
and the show must go on.
No, seriously, I was in awe. I was like, wow, like this is what, because मुझे पता ही नहीं है ladies बाहर क्यों जा रही है. And then they were like, नहीं हमें ना हमारी पूजा करनी है. And I'm like, you know, guys, you all need an applause. Seriously, like this is amazing.
Oh, thank you.
Amazing. So, you know, Marwari Mitra Mandal, the coming year or years, Pallav, what are the plans? Like, what are you guys trying to do? Everybody's changed the way they do events or they reach out to the community. आप क्या plan कर रहे हो?
तो हम लोग का एक ये था when we started off. It started off with certain key functions like Holi, Diwali, Teej, Gangor. These were the standard calendar of events.
Yeah.
But इसमें क्या हुआ, Himani, we realized that over the period, it was the same group of people. We were losing the engagement with the younger generation.
Right. Yeah.
And say people like us or our kids may not necessarily be interested in everything. It takes time. There is no force, right? So we started holding small functions. Few years back, we had a fun fair at Singapore Swimming Club. And it was so well received. The entire families got together. People are looking forward to more of those. We have had inter-community badminton groups.
Wow.
We have had things like paintball. Recently, with the COVID, one way could have been that stop engagement because you can't physically meet. But that did not prevent us from holding a series of events. Marwadi community is a business community. So we've had entrepreneurship talks, we've had startup talks, we've had health related things like yoga, physio, for coding, we've had pasta making workshops. We've had medical talks. So we've been trying to, and Diwali, like I told you some time back, an in-house production, something which you should see, and I would advise everyone to see. It's there on our website as well.
Okay.
It was a fantastic in-house production. I mean, kudos to the team which could have pulled it off in terms of even during these times. So what we have realized is try and create common interest groups. And people should come into it not because their parents are forcing them or anything, but because they look forward to interacting with people with similar interests. So what we want to give them is a platform to be able to interact, and of course the community spirit comes in. कुछ किसी को कोई कुछ जरूरत हो, सब खड़े हो जाते हैं. So home away from home in that
Fantastic. Fantastic. I'm going to get into a quick song break, Pallav, here, and we're going to come back and talk to you about what's your message for Marwadis across the globe. You know, what is it that you want to say on behalf of Marwadi Mitra Mandal Singapore, since we are in Singapore and probably one of the most active ones. Stay tuned.
Sure.
Okay, back on Radio Chutney, I'm talking to the secretary of the Marwadi Mitra Mandal in Singapore, Mr. Pallav Mona. Hi, Pallav, once again.
Hi, Himani.
Okay, so you know, Marwadis are a huge community across the globe. And like I said earlier, since so many of us, you know, do tune into Radio Chutney across the globe, what is it that you want to talk to, or you want to give out some message to the community worldwide? What is it that you want to say?
So I think I'm too young to be saying that what I need to give out to the community. But yes, generally speaking, I would like to let the entire community, the Marwadi community, to know that Marwadi Mitra Mandal in Singapore is fairly active. Anything that we can do to collaborate together, which we've been trying to do over a period of time any which way, but there's been no formal collaboration. There could be an option where we can think and collaborate and integrate and do whatever can be done to bring the Marwadi community together.
Fantastic. I think that'll be a great initiative, and it'll be nice to see so many business-minded, like-minded, enthusiastic people come together to form something.
Thanks a lot, Himani.
Thank you. And finally, I want to tell you, to all the Marwadi ladies listening into us, or not non-Marwadi also, we've started a new show called What's Cooking on Radio Chutney. Basically, this is inviting all home chefs, men or women, food bloggers, people who are passionate about food, culinary skills. They can come and contribute their recipe on Radio Chutney. So all they have to do is get in touch with me or my team, and then you know what, you can talk. Like, for example, I know some of the very famous Marwadi dishes. जैसे कि दाल बाटी चूरमा, यस, दाल बाटी चूरमा। तो एनी डिफरेंट रेसिपीज, कुछ अलग या रेगुलर रेसिपीज में आपकी कोई ट्विस्ट हो, सो ऑल ऑफ यू हु यू थिंक दैट कैन कंट्रीब्यूट टू रेडियो चटनी बस, यू हैव टू गेट इन टच विद अस एंड वी पुट यू ऑन एयर विद योर favorite special recipe.
All the Marwadi ladies in Singapore can do
everybody across the globe, doesn't matter Marwad, but you know, I would love, because since you all have a lot of traditional recipes, so it'll be great to have some of your ladies on air.
Sure. Thanks a lot. Thank you, Himani, for having us over. Thank you.